everyone. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and we're back in the kitchen today. I just want to show you a quick, simple recipe that my mom always made when I was growing up, when I was little. So I made it back at, was it Christmas? And my children loved it. They didn't remember me making it before, so I hadn't made it in a very long time, but since then, it's just something light, something that's not real sweet, but just a tint of sweet, not sweet. And it's really good. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all down here so you can see. It's real simple. What you're gonna need is some whipping cream, a whipping topping. I call it whipping cream or whipped cream. This is pistachio Jello mix. I could not find it at our local Walmart anymore. I had to get it off of Amazon. I'll put that link in the description if y'all want to try that. A large can, let's see, this is 20 ounces of crushed pineapples. Some marshmallows, you're gonna need 3 cups. And then some pecans. So let's get started. And I forgot to get me a spatula. Okay. So what we're gonna do, y'all, this is so good. I don't know if that's salt enough. I think it is. But I haven't done no quick little recipes in a while, and I thought, I want to do this, and I love this stuff. And I don't know why. I haven't made it in so long. But then we went to my mom's last Saturday, and I took some of this and I sent it home with my sons, what was left over, because they love it. It probably needed a little bit more thawing, but that's okay. It'll thaw with all the stuff we're gonna put in it. Let's see, let me go ahead and do the pistachio. Some people call it pistachio, and you can use pistachios if you want to. I like the pecans in it. My mom always used pecans, but some people call this pistachio salad. Some people call it Watergate salad. That's what we grew up, my mom calling it. How it got the name Watergate salad, I don't know. But on the little, I looked it up on, Googled it to see what they were calling it, and it came up pistachio salad, but it's got the pistachio Jello, so I guess that's why. And then that's where I seen on the recipes that they had. They were, some of them were using pistachios, and some of them were using pecans, and so I guess you could use, just any kind of nuts that you like. If you don't like pecans, or you could probably even use some walnuts. So you're just going to get this mixture mixed up real good. That makes a Cool Whip there. Cool Whip, whipping cream, whatever you want to call it. a little thick. Hand towel out here to wipe my hands on. Then we're gonna put this whole can of crushed pineapples in it. And that was a 20-ounce can. The juice and all, you just dump it all in there. Because it kind of got, the Cool Whip kind of got a little dry when you put the pistachio powder, the Jell-O powder in there. So now it's kind of making it a little soupy. It smells so good. It's just like a light dessert that's not, it's not real heavy, like a, you know, like, to me, ice cream would be heavy, you know, because these are already crushed, chopped. So this is, this was only 2 ounces, which is a half of a cup. Now, depending on how much you like nuts, it's going to depend on how many you want to put in there. I love nuts, so I put a whole cup. A whole 4 ounces. It said half a cup, so no, that's a fourth. That's a fourth of a cup. They got half a cup on there. 8 ounces is a cup. They cannot read. Look at there. It says half a cup, but it's got 2 ounces right down here. So that is that's a fourth of a cup. So I've got a half a cup in here. 8 ounces is a cup. So anyway, I've got 4 ounces, so that's a half of a cup. So, oops. So it's, it looks real good. Now, I had already had some leftover marshmallows, and it calls for 3 cups. Now, I made some last Saturday. I didn't measure. I just got me 3 big old handfuls and threw it in there, and that's how we did that. But for the sake of the video, I will measure. If you wanted to use more, you could, or if you wanted to use less, you could. I got marshmallows going everywhere, y'all. Everywhere. They like Santa Claus. They everywhere, everywhere. Okay. Probably needed a little bit bigger bowl almost, huh? And just fold it into there. And it's pretty too. So this would be good because of the color. Great for Christmas. Great for Easter. Easter's coming up, y'all. So get all that off of there. We're gonna taste it, and it's all crooked here. There we are. Doesn't that look yummy? It's not real sweet, because it's just light and fresh tasting. So a great spring dessert that's not real sweet, because the only sweetness in it is your pineapples. Your Cool Whip is not that sweet either. So it's just light and yummy. Y'all let me know if y'all make this or have heard of it or never heard of it or what. But anyway, so in the recipe, it's a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapples. I used 2 boxes of pistachio jello. I used 4 ounces, half of a cup of chopped pecans, 3 cups of marshmallows, and 1 container of Cool Whip or whip topping or whatever you want to call that. So, yeah. So y'all let me know, and I will write the recipe down in the description. And I'll post the link to the pistachio jello, because I did have to go on, and the bigger stores of Walmart may still carry this. They used to, but our store does not anymore. It's a little store, so they quit carrying it. I looked for a couple of months, and after I couldn't find it, I finally just said, get on Amazon. Everything's on Amazon. So thank y'all. And I will see y'all next time. So until then, remember that I love you all, and get to crafting and make something beautiful, or get to cooking. Okay, y'all? Thanks. See y'all later. Bye-bye.